Exciting, yes. Hey today, the fifth letter of the Hebrew alphabet, the language where God reveals so much to us in pictures, in words, in meaning, and also in numbers. So yeah, let's get right to it. The letter Hey. Hey is the fifth letter of the Hebrew alphabet, and therefore the gematria is 5. Right? Hey, the ancient pictograph of Hey was a man standing with his arms raised. A man standing, I hope you can see it. Man standing with his arms raised. But he was standing in awe. In other words, he wasn't just standing there with his arms raised. He was serving Yud-Teh-Vav-Heh, the God of the universe. And standing with his arms raised. So it's in awe. You're seeing something that you've never seen or that you seldom see in your life, and it's a situation. So we'll get to why the is going to happen soon, or maybe hopefully in our lifetime. Hey also looks like a doorway. If you look at the letter very carefully, it looks like a doorway. All right. It's the Hey is twice in the name of our Creator. Yud-Hey-Vav-Hey. Hey or Ha. Hey is used in Ha, which means the in Hebrew language. So HaMashiach is the Messiah. Hashem is the name. It's also associated as 5 with the Torah, the 5 books of the Torah, which God teaches us and guides us in His principles of general living, which is always our guide and our measuring tool. It also resembles power, as it is the 5th spirit of Yud-Teh-Vav-Heh, of the 7-fold spirit, and of course that is written in Isaiah 11. So to get back, how does the puzzle fit in with a breath of amazement? The 5th feast is the feast of the That's it, the blowing of the shofar. And that's when our Messiah is coming again, right? So the 5th feast, the feast of the shofar, once again, the breath, we will stand in awe when this happens, right? We will be standing there and know that we are preparing, because we have been preparing and we are still preparing for the coming of the bridegroom. And in this preparation, Hey, which is 5, also resembles the 5-fold ministry. The teachers, the prophets, the shepherds or the pastors, the evangelists and the apostles, all coming together, uniting in preparation for the harvest that will be ready for the coming of the Messiah on the clouds, when we go and meet Him on the clouds. Awesome, awesome. Thank you, Hey, for walking in obedience to your purpose. May grace and shalom be ours in full measure.